Alright, giving you a look at a BFR, a big freaking revolver. This is a 45 long Colt 410. It's just like the Judge, but this is made from D-Max Incorporated out of Bagley, Minnesota, I believe. Yeah. It's a good single shot, or single action, I'm sorry, revolver. It is cleared, just so anybody knows. It's a big gun. It's definitely a good backup or primary for hunting. Shoots everything. The 45 long Colt, the 410 slugs, 410 PDX personal defense, 410 buckshot, 410 birdshot. So if you're walking around, you can take out snakes. You got deer come out, you can put slugs in. Take a deer down with slugs, or even the 45 Colt rounds. It is definitely a nice, balanced revolver. It's got the single port, just kind of like the Peacemaker setup. Ain't too bad, not too shabby. This is just a quick look at it. Not in a review yet. Haven't put that many rounds through it to really give a full review. But it's definitely something, if you're gonna put it, you're gonna want it down low on your hip, or preferably like a cross draw bangler system, you know, chest draw on your chest that way. And the recoil is very low on it. It doesn't have, which I've seen, you know, you shoot Judges and there's a lot of recoil in them. This actually has real low recoil with both 410 loads and 45 Colt rounds. Like I said, it ain't too bad. These are running, this is 2014. These are running for about 600 bucks.